I bought this food thermometer. I just now opened it up. It came with a little tiny screwdriver and a battery, so glad batteries are included because forgot about that. Looks like I need to take this screw out to put the battery in. It has nice little tips here for you on how warm stuff should be. I'm just seeing if I got my bacon mac and cheese hot, but let's see if it works. All right, that was easy enough. It says it's 77 degrees in our house, which I believe it's hot in here. I just want to see if this is warm. Nice, easy to read display. Yeah, looks like it reads pretty good. This is not any raw meat. I already cooked this. I was just trying to heat it up from my fridge, so I'm going to say that's good. And this was nice and easy to use. Looks like it also has a light on it. Oh, that's just to backlight it, I guess, like if you're grilling in the dark or something. And this part just folds down. Folds down in there like that. I'm going to clean it though first.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.